I have so many awesome things to share with you guys. I am excited. It's a Family Dollar haul. I got several new LaColors things. I've been on the hunt ever since you guys told me that there are new LaColors eyeshadows out right now. And yes, so of course I found a lot of other things as well. And there is some plus size clothing. I'm gonna show that last. And I did get a couple candles, and that's where I'm going to start. The first one is Vanilla Cupcake. This smells so good. Just a regular vanilla bakery kind of scent, but it smells divine. It was only $1. Then I got Sun Drenched Woods. Also $1. Just a regular woodsy kind of scent. They have a lot of different dollar wipes, like makeup wipes to choose from. And these are the Modessa brand, and I got the Chamomile Wipes. You get 25 for $1. I already used one of these. They smell amazing. They smell absolutely amazing. It's like a florally kind of scent, and it's really nice. So for $1, you can't beat that. Swatches to wipe your face off, whatever it may be. And I also picked up this Cuticle Oil, and it's from Nude Color, and it's a peach scented cuticle oil, and I needed another cuticle oil, and I just so happened to see this one. It's pretty neat that it's peach scented, and it was only $2, so I'm excited to try this. Moving on to the LaColors stuff that I found. Actually, everything that I have here is new from LaColors, so obviously I was super excited to try. So I was super excited to get my hands on some of this stuff. I can't wait to try it out. But some basic stuff, I got some clippers. They're these in pink and this like teal color. So I just grabbed these clippers, not that I needed them, I just wanted them. I grabbed this holographic Mermaid nail file from LaColors. How awesome is that? While we're still on the subject of nails, I did pick up this quick dry clear nail glue from LaColors. I do have a patch on my thumbnail right now, and so I've been needing glue, but I also bought this to use with some new nails that I found from LaColors. Of course, they have like basic colors and stuff of different nails, and I've got almost all of them. I've used them. I like these nails, so I bought some more. This was only $1, I believe. And all these nails are actually new. They were in new display, like for like Christmas. So I got these ones. They're called Marbled. They also had these in a beautiful minty blue color, but I just thought this one was more fall. These are $1 for 12. Can't beat that. They're the short length. And once again, they're $1. A beautiful marble print in there with the beautiful like mauve nails. And then these two, I got the Geomania, which is my personal favorite. This is the first one I picked up. This is so beautiful design. Simple too, but I really like that one. And then this one is called Block, and it's just a white design with like some gold and black. For $1, yes. So $1 for a manicure, $1 for some glue. Honestly, you really can't beat that. I know I say a lot, but you really can't. Another $1 item I picked up from them is the LaColors Dramatic Lash, and I got the Demi Lash, $9.82. Very natural, beautiful lash, and I'm excited to try these. Now moving on to the eyeshadows I was actually looking for. I was told about some other ones, but I have yet to find those. The Color, the Rose, the Nude Palettes. I did find the 4 eyeshadow palettes, so they have a nude one. I already have that one. I found that at Dollar General for $1. And I found the Smoky palette. This one's called Heat It Up. The nude one is called Bare It All. And I think these are beautiful. For $1, I already swatched this one. I'm not going to insert the swatches in this video, but this is beautiful and very pigmented. So I thought I would grab this and do a look for you guys. And I've already filmed 2 on the nude one. which you'll probably see at least one of those up prior to this video. And then these were kind of an unexpected find, but they have Sassy, Classy, and Flashy. There might have been another one, I'm not sure. I did not get Classy because I have so many nude eyeshadows. I just don't need that one. I have a ton of nude LaColors ones, and I just got the other 4 nude palettes, so I just was weighing that, and I didn't need the Classy one. So I got Sassy. Now this is in like the similar packaging of the Rose palette from last year, and the Smoky and the Nude palette from last year. Okay, so I thought this would be really like it was just repackaged Rose or something, but no, it's not. They are new shades. I don't know how well you guys can see this. There we go. That's more true to color there. There's this beautiful plummy shade there. I cannot wait to dig into that shade right there. Look at all these warm, beautiful reds, and there's some orangey shades, and oh, that plum. I can't wait. And of course, it's a mix of matte and shimmers for $1. This is found near the Christmas displays where they kind of cater to, oh, stocking stuffer kind of things. Yes. And I picked up Flashy, and this is my favorite of all of the shadows I picked up. And this is like the smoky packaging from last year. And look at these. Look at that green. Like, you all know the first look I do with this one's gonna be using the green. Beautiful shimmery shades, and of course shimmers and mattes. And LaColors, surprisingly, to be only $1, does great with mattes and metallics. You guys, they're an underrated brand. Some beauty gurus on here still want to hate on LaColors, but honestly, they've really stepped up their game. I mean, their stuff was, you know, kind of not the greatest back in the day, but I still used it. And now, like, this stuff is like drugstore quality. You know, some of their eyeshadows swatch and apply better than some CoverGirl and Maybelline eyeshadows for drugstore related products. So, you know, you can't beat that. I can't wait to use this one. Flashy. Then I picked up 2 other makeup items that were new to me, that I haven't been able to pick up prior to now. And I wanted to try one of the Conceal It Concealers from LaColors. I picked the green one. I actually was looking for a good green cover up. I have a concealer palette, and I've almost used all that green up. So I've been looking for a green concealer. This one's actually thick, creamy, super pigmented actually, and I think it was only $2. Yes. Sorry about the lighting change. It's getting overcast. We're gonna have a storm soon, but I still wanted to film this video. But yes, so I grabbed that. Also, it has like a brush. I wanted to try the regular concealer as well, but I was so afraid of the shades. And then last makeup item I did purchase is the LaColors Truly Matte Foundation. Now, I had to take it in natural. This is the lightest shade my store had, and I'm really hoping that it will match me. It did look maybe a little bit dark. I might have to lighten it up. But other than that, I think it's going to be good. You get more than a fluid ounce of product, which is typical for your foundations. You get a little bit more. You get 1.35 fluid ounces. How awesome was this find? Like, I have the Radiant Foundation. I love it. This was $4. Comes in the pump bottle. Has a nice lid, so it looks higher end of the drugstore anyways. And for $4, I'm hoping that I like this as much as the other beauties that I watch here on YouTube love this. So I'm excited to try. And yes, that's all for the makeup part. I did get some clothing that had like a buy one get one 50% off. Y'all know I had to take advantage of that. I actually really enjoy their clothing sometimes and their sizing. They do carry a lot of bigger sizes. And I do find though, if you wear a 1 or 2X in some of their clothing though, some of them run a little small, you might need a 3X. And that is the case with some of the clothes that I bought, but that's okay. I'm not really worried about that tag, just as long as the clothing is good, decent quality, and it's just overall nice. Also, Connor did get an Avengers hat, and he got a little pair of jogging pants. They were $6, just like a jersey kind of thing. They had a really cute little white tie, and I'm gonna insert a picture of him because he posed for this picture. And he's just cute. So this is his stuff. Now for the clothing part of the haul, I just have my clothes hung up that I got, and they were on sale. Like I said, it was like buy one get one 50% off. This was $11, and I think that I got $2 and something off of it. And it's from the Just Be brand. I got it in a 3X. It's a beautiful mauve purple floral print top. It has plum sleeves and just a beautiful floral, and then the back comes down, it scoops down, and the back is slightly lower. The back is slightly lower than the front. And then I got this beautiful gray kind of pull over kind of jacket thing, sweater. It has a hood. I also got that in 3X. This is Just Me. Very nice and soft material, and it was $15, and I think I got like $3 and something off of that. It's really beautiful, and this is perfect for fall and winter. Just wearing, you know, a t-shirt, pull it over, wear it in the house, wear it out. It's really comfy and cozy, and I've had a lot of good experiences with their clothing at Family Dollars. I've never been disappointed, and my stuff's always lasted a really long time for the price that you pay for them. And I even still have stuff in my collection now that I have from Family Dollar that's lasted for years. And then the last and final item I have are these nice, like, knit, very super soft, like, knit pants. And I just think they're going to be so cozy and comfy. And they were also from Just Me, $12.50, and I think I got like $1 something, $2 off of those. And the legs have these cuffs on them, but they are so unbelievably soft. They also had hoodies in the same material to go with these to match them. I didn't pick up the hoodie because I got the pullover sweater kind of cardigan kind of thing, and I just wanted the pants, and I'm excited to get on with fall. But yeah, that's basically all for the Family Dollar haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more hauls. Let me know what cool finds that you've been finding at Family Dollar, and stay tuned for more tutorials and stuff using all the stuff I hauled. And any reviews you guys want to see, let me know as well. Check the description box as always. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video.